Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for everything beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into the fabulous world of nail art with a special focus on the best Colorstreet nail strips available on the market, the Wing It On nail polish strips. If you're looking for a quick, stylish, and salon-quality manicure at home, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about the standout features of these stunning nail strips. The Wing It On design features a mesmerizing butterfly wing motif, combining a shimmery red to copper duochrome finish that will catch anyone's eye. These colors aren't just for show, they transition beautifully in different lighting, giving your nails an exquisite depth and sparkle that's perfect for any occasion. What makes these nail strips particularly appealing is their ease of use. Each set includes 16 double-ended strips, ensuring you have enough to achieve the perfect look on every finger. Application is a breeze. Simply peel off the strip, apply it to your nail, smooth it out, and file off any excess. It's as easy as that. And the best part? There's no need to wait for polish to dry. You can just apply and go, making them ideal for busy individuals or last-minute outings. One of the most remarkable aspects of Colorstreet's offerings is that they're made from 100% real nail polish. Yes, you heard that right. This means you're not just getting a pretty design. You're also applying the same quality polish you would find in a salon, but with the convenience of home application. Plus, these strips are made in the USA, so you can feel good about supporting local manufacturing. Durability is another area where Wing It On shines. These strips are designed to last up to 2 weeks, giving you long-lasting wear without chipping. You can enjoy a flawless manicure for an extended period, allowing you to focus on your day-to-day activities without worrying about constant touch-ups. Additionally, these nail strips are perfect for those who may be sensitive to traditional nail polishes, since they're free from harsh chemicals commonly found in many nail products. You can enjoy beautiful nails without the worries of potential irritation. Now, let's discuss the value for your money. Priced at around $16.19, each set provides not just a stylish manicure but a cost-effective solution compared to frequent salon visits. With the potential to achieve multiple manicures from one set, you're getting salon-quality nails without the hefty price tag. Finally, let's talk about the versatility of the Wing It On nail strips. Whether you're dressing up for a special event, heading to the office, or just wanting to add a little flair to your everyday look, these strips fit the bill perfectly. Their vibrant color and unique design make them suitable for all occasions. So there you have it. If you're searching for an easy-to-use, stylish, and long-lasting nail solution, look no further than the Colorstreet Wing It On nail polish strips. They truly are the best in the game for a reason. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and product insights. Leave a comment below if you've tried these strips or if there's another product you'd like us to review. Until next time, happy polishing!